we are now going to deal on an essay which is going to expect you to give your feedback on the effects of pollution. Write an essay on the effects of pollution. And daily waste created by humans. So here we can talk about, the effects of pollution and the daily waste created and how it affects human being, and what are the measures that we can take in order to curb, future pollution, okay, or the aftermath of pollution. So let's begin with the introduction. Kinds of pollution, as always. Kinds of pollution, or the ways of pollution also we can say. So what are the ways in which we have, we get polluted is discarding garbage is one main serious problem. So you can discuss about it. And if it is not going to be addressed soon, then it's going to be an issue. So a general introduction about the kinds of pollution, and you can discuss about the same. Moving on to the next, what are the harmful effects that pollution is going to have on human being? First is the air and the water. The air that we breathe and the water that we drink and the land that we live, all three get affected, negatively affected. A very important point. Contamination. They get contaminated. They become harmful impurities. So all these three, air, water and land, become contaminated and they become harmful also. So this will also lead to life-threatening diseases. Or disabilities. So apart from this, apart from human beings, we are passing it over to animals, plants, and the vegetation. So it's not just the human being that is being affected, also the animals, the plants and vegetation are also being affected. Because the fruits, vegetables, all the natural nutritious values are going down. And sometimes animals and birds are also, they also succumb to all these polluted climates. So we disturb the climate also, which is a big blow to the ecosystem. The ecosystem also gets disturbed. So what measures do you think we can make to do this? First, we need to start, okay, these are the disadvantages, right? Hazardous things. So the measures that we can take to curb all this is, number one, start using recyclable material. So try avoiding, plastic, that which is not recyclable, that which is not biodegradable. We can start using recyclable material. Start inventing biodegradable so that we live more eco-friendly. Proper waste management. So the waste ought to be managed efficiently, especially the industrial waste, is the call of the hour. We need to manage waste properly, disposal of industrial garbage, and energy efficient vehicles. Are also very important to curb pollution. This goes in my third paragraph. Moving on to the last conclusion paragraph. We must understand that the earth is not ours. We are just going to pass it over to our generation. So sustainable development. So it is a legacy, it is a heritage that we have to maintain it for the future generations, and we should make actions to have a cleaner and a greener and a healthier earth. So that is how I would end this essay. Let's quickly go through the essay once again. Effects of pollution and daily waste created by human beings. Initial paragraph, you can talk about the kinds of pollution, discuss about as to how this pollution happens, give a brief insight about the pollution. The second paragraph, what are the things, how do we pollute, what are the harmful effects of pollution. So the basic air, water and land which is being consumed by human beings are affected. They are contaminated, they become harmful, unsafe to use. And this leads to life-threatening diseases and disabilities. You can mention a few diseases or disabilities if you would like to. And this is not only affecting human beings, but it's also affecting animals, plants, and vegetation. So all the nutritious value of vegetables and fruits, they all go down. And apart from this, we also disturb animals and birds. They succumb due to the polluted climatic changes, which is inadvertently, it is disturbing the ecosystem also. So these are the problems that we are facing, which will go in my second paragraph. In my third paragraph, I'm going to give you suggestions, measures that can be taken to curb the effects of pollution. Start using recyclable material, invent a lot of biodegradable material and stick to using them. And proper waste management is very important because that is the need of the hour, especially the waste management from industry, the industrial waste, the industrial garbage. How are we going to dispose them? Proper waste management system is very important. And last but not the least, the energy efficient vehicles. Very important so that we don't consume a lot of energy. That is also very important. At the same time, we don't disturb, it doesn't lead to air pollution also. And my conclusion paragraph talks about sustainable development. Now, what is this sustainable development? This sustainable development is nothing but I make use of the resources available for me and I don't waste them, and I make sure I leave back enough resources for my future generation also. So we need to understand that the air, the water, the land, whatever we own now doesn't belong to us. It is a legacy. It is something that is to be passed on to the future generation, and we are bound to have or maintain a cleaner or a cleaner and a greener environment, not only for us, but to leave it behind for our future generation also.